Before Lunar New Year, I ordered some stuff from Stigma and it has arrived. So I already opened it so that I could check if I got all my products. But here they are. This is what I got. So yeah, they're really unique because of their packaging. The one packet was around $3, so which is about like, I'm gonna guess like $2.50 American. I'm not sure, but yeah, they're really affordable. And one packet has 3 milliliters. So I've only ordered these. Most of the products were sold out, so I couldn't get everything that I wanted. But I think I have a pretty good selection to try out. They also gave me 2 makeup bags. So it's just plastic see-through makeup bag. I really like these plastic ones because it's really easy to clean. So I might actually put one of them in my bag. So I got these. They also sent me 2 journal / diary. Now let's open these up. I've never ever tried these products before, so this will be kind of my first impression. I just separate them into different categories. So I have the glossy, the matte, and the velvet. I also have a highlighter for my face and the glitter for my eyes. I'm gonna start with the face highlighter. Ooh, let's see. That's nice. Very natural. Very natural highlighter. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. It's not really, can you see that? I don't think you can really see it on camera. See that? Oh, it's really, really light. This is a very natural highlighter. Smells very sweet. This is definitely not one of those like in your face kind of highlighter. If you're looking for just a light glow, I think this is really nice. Okay, next let's do the eye glitter. I wouldn't say this is a glitter. This is more of a shimmery eyeshadow. Shimmery liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, it's very pretty. It's more brown. I thought I got more pink. It's more brown. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply whatever is on the back of my hand. So here's the comparison. This is with the glitter, and then here just without it. It seems to dry really fast, but it's really easy to blend and work with. So now let's move on to the lips. Let's start with, I'm gonna start with the matte because I only have one. my final thoughts on all of the products that I've tried out. So first, the highlighter. It doesn't feel heavy, but once I touch it, it kind of feels greasy. And I don't think I can call this an highlighter. If you're looking for something that makes your skin look naturally glowy, I would highly recommend this one. But if you're looking for a highlighter, maybe skip this. So next, moving on to the gloss. I was really impressed by how pigmented it was and how light and comfortable it was to wear. I think the glosses are great to just throw it in your bag and apply quickly throughout the day for that nice pop of color on your lips. So now moving on to the velvets. For some reason, I kind of assumed that these would be like a liquid lipstick. However, only the MLBBs came out to be more of a liquid lipstick, whereas the rest were more of a tint. So these were more watery, more lightweight, whereas the two other colors felt more soft, more pigmented, felt more of a liquid lipstick. So overall, really happy with all the products that I've tested out today. I'm just really looking forward to playing around with it a little bit more and see how it wears throughout the day. So this was my first impression of the Stimmung products. Let me know what was your favorite color, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!